Hi there, I hope you are all doing well. So in this tutorial I am going to give you a demo of another amazing workflow, but this time it is call agent and it is basically developed using 11Labs and N8N as well. So I will give you a demo first of all how it is going to work, and then I will show you the workflow, N8N workflow, which is very simple, and then I will give you another guide as well about that how you can get it. So first of all, let's have a call.
Jalapenos takeout. I can take your order now.
Yeah, can you please book one order? I want to eat taco, beef, and yeah, it should be crispy.
Certainly. You can enjoy a crispy shredded beef taco, which comes with lettuce, tomatoes, salsa, and cheese. Would you like to add anything else to your order?
I want to know more about your menu.
Our menu offers a variety of delicious Mexican dishes. We have tacos with different fillings like carne asada, carnitas, grilled chicken, and more. Our burritos include options such as carne asada, al pastor, and veggie. We also offer plates like enchiladas, fajitas, and chile relleno, all served with rice and beans. For appetizers, you can try our nachos or taquitos. If you're interested in beverages, we have options like jarritos, horchata, and Mexican Coca-Cola. Is there a specific...
Yeah, add one Mexican Coca-Cola and then just book my order.
Great choice. Your order includes one crispy shredded beef taco and one Mexican Coca-Cola. Could you please provide your full name and phone number to complete the order?
My name is Ahmed and my phone number is 0322 2560 438 and my area code is 92.
Thank you, Ahmed. To confirm, your order is one crispy shredded beef taco and one Mexican Coca-Cola. Your contact number is 0322560438 with the area code 92. Is everything correct?
Everything is correct. Thank you.
Thank you! Your order will be ready for pickup in about 15 to 20 minutes at 27602 Antonio Parkway, Ladera Ranch, California. Can I assist you with anything else?
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing jalapenos. Have a great day.
Yeah. So now you saw how it is going to work, and call is automatically ended. And we have basically given a logic in backend on 11Labs. Whenever we will say thank you or bye bye, it will be automatically ended. So this is simple workflow, and what this workflow will be doing, the backend thing like directly calling and getting response is connected with 11Labs, and in 11Labs it is a platform you know about for call AI agents and everything. So hope you know about it. You can search about 11 labs and you can know more about it, how 11 labs work, and it has a lot of voice features and speech to text, conversational AI dubbing and everything. So we have just made this simple workflow, and then this production URL is connected with 11 labs on backend, and then our call is recording on 11 labs, and then we are getting transcription in this our AI OpenAI, and then here we have defined a system message. Let me show you. So you are an assistant extracting following information. It will extract following information and then it will send an email. Once order will be booked, then it will also send an email to the owner of hotel management to book that order and send to the user. So on 11Labs we have also defined the system messages and menu. Everything is defined there. Therefore the AI assistant is aware about the menu and everything, and what question it should ask. It is aware about everything. So we are not going to show you 11Labs right now, but you can, if you want this workflow, so you can basically reach out us on our school community, and we can also provide you this simple workflow, and we can also consult you about 11Labs, and we can help you to connect your 11Labs with this workflow, and you can use this for your any personal use case, any of your business, and we can even customize this even more in depth. We can add a lot of things. And once order will be booked, you will also, you see I have just got an email. So Sarfraz Ahmed and number and crispy taco. So this was an old email, but the recent email is in processing. I will get that email in few minutes. So yeah, this is how it is going to work. And so yeah, you can reach out us on our school community. Yeah, so if you need this workflow and you want to integrate this in your system, so we can help you out with web as well as integration of 11 labs and N8N and this all voice agent into your system. And we can consult you as well regards everything. So you can just reach out us on our school community. So yeah, it is $20 per month. It is very cheap, and here we will assist you about everything. We will provide you workflow, we will provide you resources, and we will consult you as well about your project. And if you want to customize this and integrate in your system, so we will also be available for that as well. So the link of our school community will be in the description. You can reach out us easily. And yeah, thank you.